Hi everyone, this is Miss Kirk and I'm going to talk to you today about the line of danger. The line of danger is an imaginary line on the court that we need to be able to see as we're playing so that we know how to protect our goal. Okay? All right, so to start our conversation, we're going to need a court, we're going to need a center line, we're going to need two goals, face-off circle, and a person with the ball. Now that person is the opponent. Okay, we're talking about defense today, and so we always need to see the line the ball must travel if it's going to score. That is an imaginary line between the ball and the middle of the goal, and we call that the line of danger. Okay? If someone shot the ball, it would have to travel on this line to enter the goal and score. So it's the most dangerous line on the court. You have to always be picturing it. Your team's defense should always have at least one person on this line. Okay, so now I've got a blue player there who is on the line of danger, and that means the ball would have to pass through them to score. So they're in a good position to block that shot and send the ball the other way. All right, so there's our court. There's our opponent. There's the line of danger. When you are playing defense, you want to be on this line of danger. You can move towards the person with the ball, or you can move back towards the goal. But what's important is that you travel on this line so that the goal is always protected. All right? When the ball moves, a shot must take a new path to reach the center of the goal. So that creates a new line of danger. So now this defender is out of position. And what that defender needs to do is quickly move to that new line. So that the goal is not left open, but there's someone there to block the shot. So every time the ball moves, it creates a new line of danger. And the defender quickly gets to that new line so that they can defend the goal. The ball moves again, we get a new line of danger, and the defender quickly gets to that new line. All right, so earlier we talked about defenders moving on that line. They can move towards the person with the ball, or they can move back towards the goal. Okay? When you move towards the person with the ball, you are positioned high. That's how we refer to it. You're close to the ball, you're away from the goal, you're positioned high. When you move back towards the goal, you're positioned low. You're still on the line of danger, but you're in the low position. These ideas become important when you're working with a second defender. So let's talk about that. When you have two defenders, both should get on the line of danger. One needs to go high, and one needs to move low. The left defenseman is the one that goes high, and when the ball is on the left, the left defenseman goes high when the ball is on the left. But when the ball moves to the right, now the right defenseman is going to go high. And the left defenseman goes low. Okay? So they kind of work like they're tied together. When the right defenseman goes high, the left one goes low. When the ball's on the left-hand side, the left defenseman goes high, and so the right defenseman goes low. But they're both on the line of danger. There isn't anyone staying over here. We both shift to that line. When the ball is coming in from the left, there it is, the left defenseman goes high and the right defenseman goes low. So there you can see it. They're both on this line of danger. The left one went up, the right one came low. And when the ball comes in from the right, The right defenseman goes high. That's this one. They're going to go high. And the left one goes low. I hope you now understand what the line of danger is, where a defender should go on that line, and how to work with a second defender to cover that line. Enjoy playing hockey, everyone.